Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical issue affecting drivers in Florida. Uninsured Motorist Coverage. A new report from Bagen Law Accident Injury Lawyers sheds light on this often misunderstood aspect of auto insurance. Stay tuned as we explore the implications of this report and what it means for drivers in the Sunshine State. Bagen Law Accident Injury Lawyers, Professional Association, today released a new report examining uninsured motorist coverage in Florida, a protection the firm says has become one of the most important and most misunderstood pieces of an auto policy in the state. Titled Understanding Uninsured Motorist Coverage in Florida, the report breaks down how the coverage works, what it pays for, and why many drivers may already carry it without realizing what it does. According to the report, Florida is one of the few states that does not require most drivers to carry bodily injury liability insurance. In their place, the state's no-fault system requires only $10,000 in personal injury protection per vehicle, covering 80% of medical costs and 60% of lost wages up to that limit. For anything beyond that, injured drivers are left to pursue the at-fault driver directly, a strategy that offers little recourse when that driver has no insurance at all. Most people don't realize how thin Florida's insurance requirements really are until they're hit by a driver who can't pay for what happened, said Stephen A. Bagen, founder of Bagen Law Accident Injury Lawyers and a board-certified specialist in civil trial law. Uninsured motorist coverage is often the only thing standing between an injured family and a stack of bills nobody planned for. The report outlines several findings for Florida drivers, including insurers must offer uninsured motorist coverage on every policy where liability coverage is offered. Drivers can only decline it by signing a specific written rejection form, meaning many carry the coverage today without ever realizing they have it. Stacking coverage across multiple insured vehicles can significantly raise the total protection available after a serious crash, though it comes at a slightly higher premium than a single, non-stacked limit. Uninsured motorist coverage can extend well beyond a policyholder's own car, often applying when someone is a passenger or a resident relative who lives with the insured. The coverage can pay for medical costs beyond personal injury, protection limits, lost wages, pain and suffering, and losses connected to a wrongful death, areas where personal injury protection alone typically falls short. We wanted to put together something people could actually use before they're ever in a crash, Bagen said. A lot of drivers are paying for this coverage right now without knowing it, and just as many turned it down years ago without understanding what they gave up. The report comes as Bagen Law continues to see a steady stream of cases across north central Florida involving uninsured and underinsured drivers, including along high-traffic corridors such as Interstate 75 through Gainesville and Ocala. The full report is available at https://bagenlaw.com/blog/uninsured motorist coverage, Florida.